Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. I hope you're all doing well. So here's the OnePlus Watch 3 that we've got recently. Beautiful watch, and it's really comfortable to wear, I must say. It doesn't feel huge like other watches that I've tried on. It's not also very thick, as you can see. It's rather nice and comfortable to wear. The size 47mm, but still it doesn't look out of place on my wrist. I have a very small wrist, 16 centimeter. What do you guys think? Anyway, the watch comes with this watch strap. Is really beautiful. Feels really comfortable to wear. Has a premium feel. Looks premium as well. I've got another strap for it, which I wanted to do a quick video on. So we'll share that with you today. So the OnePlus Watch 3 has this amazing classic look. I mean, look at the strap, and they have a matching watch face to go with it. It just looks amazing. And the strap itself, if I just take it off and show you. The silver version comes with this floral rubber strap, which is emerald color. It's really nice, feels really good and comfortable to wear. 22mm, as you can see. And it's basically, I think, one size, because you've got the holes from all the way from the top to the end. So it can go from small to medium to large. The buckle is very nicely done, stainless steel. And then when you look at the little holders, loops, the end one has a little pointy bit in. So when you put your strap in, you'll hold it on the hole, so it won't just go up and down or come off. So it's very nice and well detailed. I'm going to basically show you another strap that we bought when we purchased the watch. This strap here, leather strap, was on half price offer when we bought the watch. Blue leather, it's called Nordic Blue, and it was for half price, which is something like £17.50. Originally it was just under £40, £38 or something like that. Can't remember fully, let me just check. This is the one we bought, blue OnePlus watch strap, £17.49, half price. And as you can see, it's Nordic Blue and it's genuine leather. So I'm going to quickly open that, put it on the watch and show you guys how it looks. So it comes well wrapped, presented in a premium box, and inside we have the leather strap, and then it says genuine leather material. Please pay attention to waterproof. Do not wear it while bathing or swimming. Okay, so this isn't waterproof. You can't wear it while you're going in for a swim. So it does say soaking will damage your leather. Please dry it as soon as possible after getting it wet. Okay, so let's take this off and check the straps out. So it says it's genuine leather. So let's smell it. Yes, it smells like genuine leather. Yep. And then we've got the connectors here, as you can see. It's rubber. And then if you look at the stitching, you can see it's really nicely done. And then the buckle is again stainless steel, and I really like the blue. The blue on this strap is really nice. Again, the stitching beautifully done, and it's one size. As you can see, the hole starts from very close to one end of the strap to the other end. So this is one size, which is fantastic. 22mm. The stitching at the bottom is again same color as the strap, blue, and the front is more visible. Looks kind of whitish. Really nicely done. So I'm going to put these two on. Oh, by the way, the connectors, as you can see, comes all the way down, just like the original strap. So you have that extra bit on both the strap. Let's try the strap on the watch and see how it looks. Okay, so let's take this strap off. It's quite easy to take the strap off. It's one of those pull toggle that you kind of like pull down and it clicks off. And let's put this one on. And pull the toggle and pull up. There you go. Did you hear that click? That's gone in. To the other side. Pull down the toggle off, and this one, and pull this up. Let's find the hole. There you go. Did you hear that click? I think it's gone in. Yep. Okay, look at that. Looks really nice. And it goes really well with the silver. Makes it look more classic actually. So let's change the watch face color and see how that looks. It's got the blue as well. That will match with that. Let's have a try at that. Look at that. It goes well with the strap. I think the leather strap makes the watch look like a classic timepiece. What do you think? The blue, does it look nice or nicer than the green? Let me know. It feels really comfortable to wear. The material is really nice and it's soft, not rubbery like the other one. I think the rubber bit on the bottom is to give the strength, I guess, to the strap. So the band itself is very soft, as you can see. You got the really nice layer of leather on top, and then you've got the fine layer of rubber at the bottom to support the strap. So it's really, really robust, but at the same time it's nice and thin and gentle to wear. So you got the two loops here to hold the other side of the strap down when you're wearing it. So let's try it on and see how it looks. There you go. How does it look? I think it looks really nice. Feels really good to wear as well. Really light actually. Light and comfortable to wear. What do you think? Comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Let's try another watch face and see how that looks. Let's try that. Blue with kind of goldish look. That looks good as well. It goes well, the gold and the blue. Let's try another one. Let's try one of these. That looks nice as well. Look at that. The blue and the red goes well together. That looks quite nice actually. Look at that. You got the map of the world at the background here, which is in blue. You can change the color of that actually. That looks rather nice. I think there's loads of watch faces with multiple choice of colors, and then you can match according to your strap or taste or the mood of the day, I guess. But it looks rather nice. So I think I'm going to be sticking with this watch strap for a while now. I really like that. So that's all for today, guys. I will be doing a lot more videos with this watch in comparison to the Galaxy Watch Ultra, Pixel Watch 3. If there's any particular aspect of this watch that you'd like us to cover, do comment down below and let us know, and we'll try our best to cover that. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.